Hello and welcome to today's class. My name is Prashant and today we will learn arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is one of the most important or one of the important chapters of class 10. So students are learning this chapter for the first time. So we'll start from very basic. So in basic we'll understand what is the meaning of arithmetic progression. This is a very new word, so we first need to understand what is the meaning of this word arithmetic progression. So arithmetic is any number, or you can say it is a mathematical number. Any number that has been used in mathematics is called arithmetic or mathematical number. Progression means moving from one number to another number. So here arithmetic progression means any number or mathematical number. Progression means moving from one number to another number. So in whole the meaning of arithmetic progression means we have got a set of numbers in which we are moving from one number to the another number. So let's understand this with the help of a very basic example. So consider an example where we have set of numbers or series of numbers. Suppose in that series, that particular set of numbers or series, we have got first number is 2, second is 4, 6, 8 and 10. So here we have got 5 set of numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So let's understand. When we add 2 to this first number, we are getting 4. When we add 2 again to this second number, we are getting this third number. We are again adding 2 to 6 to get 8, and we are adding 2 with 8 and we are getting 10. So here you can see the difference between the numbers is constant. So whenever we will have the difference between the numbers as constant or same in a particular series, then that particular series will be said to be in AP or arithmetic progression. So AP in short. So this particular series where we have the common difference same or constant is an AP. Let's understand this with another example. Suppose we have another set of numbers. One is 3, 5, 8, 9 and 11. Again when you see we are adding 2 with 3 and get 5. We'll add 3 with 5 and get 8. We'll add 1 with 8 and get 9. We'll add 2 with 9 and we'll get 11. So here you see the difference between the numbers is 2, 3, 1 and 8. It's changing every time. So this difference is not constant. So whenever the difference between the numbers in a particular series or set is not constant, then that particular set of numbers or series of numbers is said to be not in AP. Clear? I hope this is clear. So again we'll move with another example and we'll understand the other basics of this AP. First example we have taken as 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So the first number, that is 2, is being used in AP as denoted as or used as A. First number is denoted as A, which is 2 here. Now the difference, that is every time it is common. So 2 again added with each time with the previous number and we are getting the second number. It is called common difference. This common difference is denoted by D and here it is 2. Right? Suppose let's take an example and understand the other things. This is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So this is A. This first number 1 is said to be A. This second number 3 can be written as 1 plus 2, which is A plus D. This fifth number, that is 5, can be written as 1 plus 2 plus plus 2. It can also be written as a plus d. In short, we can say a plus 2d, right? This 7 can be written as 1 plus 2 and plus 2 again. So this can be written as a plus d plus d plus d, which is a plus 3d in short. This 9 is 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 again plus 2, which can be written as a plus d plus d plus d and plus d. So this is a plus 4d and this is a plus d. So we started with a and we went on adding d for the first time to get the second number. We'll add d twice to get the third number. We'll add d thrice with the first number to get the fourth number. We'll add 4 times d to get the last number, that is 9. So here, if you are asked to find out what is the 15th number in this particular series, so how will we find out? Suppose this is 15th number is to be found out amongst this series. So we'll understand and we'll write a plus here. This one was the 5th number. This one was the 5th number. Suppose I am numbering it. This one is the first number. This one is second. This one is third. This one is fourth. And this one is fifth. So when we are writing this 5th number, we were writing here 4d. When we are writing the 4th number, we were writing 3d. When we are writing the 3rd number, we were writing 2d. When we are writing the 2nd number, we are writing only d. So now we are to find out what is the 15th number. So what we will write? We will write this as 15 minus 1 d. That is a plus 14d. So this is our 15th number. So let's find out what is the 15th number. In this particular series, you will notice the first number is a. So the value of a is 1. And the common difference among the number is d, that is 2 here. So when we put it in a plus 14d, we will get 1 plus 14 into 2. So this is 1 plus 28. So it is 29. So this is how, if we understand what a series is, we can find out any particular number of that particular series.